Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro, today for 2018 Toyota RAV4, stock number 7242. It's run from the 2012 to the 2018. Here's a 2AD FTV 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2AD FTV 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left rear 18-inch factory laminated tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 18-inch factory laminated tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory laminated tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,